Good day to you all and welcome to this demonstration. In this video we're going to take a look at replacing the rear windshield wiper arm on a 2006 Honda Odyssey. I will also be installing a 16-inch wiper blade on the arm that I replace. The tools I will be using are as follows: a 10mm socket, a pair of pliers so I can pull off the old mechanism, the new wiper arm that I will be installing, and lastly, the 16-inch wiper blade that I will be installing onto the rear wiper arm. Well, let's not hesitate any longer and let's get down to it. The first thing you want to do is take your 10mm socket and go ahead and undo the broken wiper arm. Now let's take off the broken wiper arm. Or let's not. It was a little tough. Okay, let's get back to this. And this is where the pliers came in handy. I grabbed these pliers here and I ended up clamping the unit and just pulled it right off right there. Next, I will snap off the cover on the wiper blade arm so I can access the hole and put that on top of the stud right there. Now make sure to bend your wiper blade arm out so you don't run into what I just ran into. It should be looking just like that. Now I was thinking it was going to fit snug on there and not move, but that's not the case. What's going to happen is you're going to need to find a good position for it, go finger tight on the hex nut, and then tighten it down with your 10mm socket. Now coming up here, I'm going to hold the arm just like that and apply resistance the opposite way. Now I am installing the wiper blade onto the new wiper arm. Before I put the cap over the hex nut, I wanted to test it out. Here is a good spot to make any adjustments that you want. You can untighten it again and adjust where it first seats, but I thought it was pretty good here, so I put the cap on. And that's it. Pretty easy fix. I bought this off of rockauto.com. This is not a sponsored video, so I'm just sharing this information with you out of the kindness of my own heart here. So once again, rockauto.com. I bought the blade and the wiper arm. Thanks for stopping by and watching the video. Give it a like if it helped you. Share it if you like. Have a great one.